Hello guys, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review YouTube channel. Let me ask you something. How many of you actually keep regular backups of your important data? Your photos, videos, office files, or maybe your YouTube projects? We all know backups are important and we have heard it thousands times. But in reality, most of us either forget to do it or just rely on one device. And even if you do keep backups, things can still go wrong. Backup drives can fail, files can get corrupted, or sometimes the backup itself is outdated. So, at the end of the day, your important data is never 100% safe. Now, yes, ideally, we should all keep proper backups of our important data. But in reality, most people don't do it regularly, or they rely on just one backup device. And even when backups exist, they are not always 100% reliable. Drives can fail, files can get corrupted, or sometimes the backup itself is outdated. So, in real life situations, backup alone isn't always enough to fully protect your data. That's exactly where a powerful recovery solution becomes essential. Now, imagine this, you're working on something really important. Suddenly, you delete it by mistake or your device crashes and just like that, everything is gone. That feeling is honestly one of the worst. But what if I tell you your data might not be gone forever? Today, we are taking a look at Wondershare Recoverit, a powerful and professional data recovery software that's designed to bring you lost your files back in just a few simple steps. So, let's see how good it actually is and whether it's worth your money. Starting with the basics. Recoverit is built to recover almost any kind of lost data. We are talking about deleted files, formatted drives, lost partitions, corrupted storage, and even virus damaged data. It supports over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, audio files, and more. So, no matter what kind of file you lose, there's a very high chance Recoverit can recover it. And it's not just limited to your computer. You can recover your data from external hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, cameras, drones, and even NAS storage. So basically, if the device stores data, Recoverit probably supports it. Now, one of the strongest points of this software is its ease of use. The whole recovery process is super simple and beginner friendly. It follows a clean 3-step system. First, you select the location where your data was lost. Then, you start the scanning process, and finally, you preview and recover your files. That's it. No complicated settings. No confusing menus. The interface is also very clean and modern. Everything is well organized, so you can quickly find your drives, folders, or external devices. This makes the whole experience smooth even if you have never used data recovery software before. Now, let's talk about performance, because that's what really matters. Recoverit offers both quick scan and deep scan options. The quick scan is fast and helps you find recently deleted files. But if your data is older or harder to find, the deep scan goes much deeper into your storage and searches every corner to recover lost files. And honestly, this deep scan feature is where Recoverit really shines. Even if your drive has been formatted or your files were permanently deleted, it can still recover a large partition of your data as long as it hasn't been overwritten. Another very impressive feature is the advanced video recovery and repair system. If you're a content creator or someone who works with videos, this is a huge plus. Sometimes, even after recovery, videos can be corrupted or not playable. Recoverit solves this problem by repairing those videos and restoring them to a usable condition. It even supports high-resolution formats like 4K and 8K videos, which is something not all recovery tools can handle. On top of that, there are AI-powered enhancements built into the software. After recovering your images or videos, you can improve their quality. For example, you can make blurry photos sharper or enhance details in your videos. This adds an extra layer of usefulness that goes beyond just recovery. Now, here's another powerful feature, crash system recovery. If your computer doesn't boot at all, Recoverit allows you to create a bootable USB drive. Using that, you can access your system and recover your data even when your OS is completely down. This can be a lifesaver in serious situations. In terms of compatibility, Recoverit works on both Windows and Mac OS and supports a wide range of file systems. So, whether you're using a regular PC, a Mac, or different types of storage formats, you are covered. But now, let's talk about a few real-world considerations. First, recovery success always depends on one important factor: time. If your lost data has been overwritten by new data, then recovery becomes very difficult, no matter which software you use. So, always best to stop using the device immediately after data loss and run the recovery as soon as possible. So, Overall, Wondershare Recoverit is a very powerful, reliable, and user-friendly data recovery software. It offers strong recovery performance, supports a wide range of devices and file types, and includes advanced features like deep scanning, video repair, and AI enhancement. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, this software can be extremely helpful when things go wrong. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where your important data is lost, Recoverit might just be the tool that saves your day. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.